Here's the bird baby. Little cockatiel bird baby, and this bird baby is 25 days old, and this video right now is being shot because this baby right now is standing on Daddy's finger and maintaining it. Bird baby's already been standing on Daddy's finger for, I want to say, about 2 minutes. Perhaps longer. Yep, look at that. Look at the bird baby. Look at bird baby. Look at that bird baby. My little bird baby. Look at that bird baby. Look at that bird baby. What you do, bird baby? What you do? What you do, bird baby? What you do? Who's gonna make a potty? Good bird. Good bird. You gonna make a potty? Daddy's thinking you gonna make a potty. Did you? No, that. What do you do, big baby? Yeah. Ooh, you gonna make a potty? Daddy thinks you're gonna make a potty. Are you gonna potty? Are we gonna potty, little baby? This Daddy's bird. You are Daddy's bird. You're Daddy's bird. Look how big you are. How many pounds did he weigh today? 94 grams, first weight in the morning. This baby is way ahead of the curve. This baby is way ahead of the curve. Yes, he is. What you want to do, baby? And they put you back up here? Okay, ready, baby? Oh, baby. Look how big he is. There we go, big baby. There we go. I was trying to shake free. And the baby's like, ah! Started to get ready to aggress me, didn't you? Oh, didn't you? Oh, did. Oh. And Daddy being bad to you? Oh, had to get him? Oh. Little baby. What are you doing?